So now let's see how we can use the measurement tool inside of Blender. So here you can see that I got a shape, and let's say I want to measure this out and even know the angles of the shape right here. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around into the measure tool, and then I'm going to use my left mouse click button and drag. But what happens when I do that is it is actually drawing it out in 3D space. So it is not snapping into anything, as you can see. If I want it to snap, then I can hold Control on my keyboard and then it snaps onto the space, as you can see. Similarly, I'm going to use this, use Control and snap it into place, and now I know it is 1.17557 meter right here. So let's go around and create another measurement line. So click and drag around right here, hold Control, snap it out, and you get the exact value, as you can see right here. Similarly, go around right here and snap it out over here, snap it out over here. You can see the exact value right here, and you see it out right here. If you want to measure out angle, you can go around over here on in between and click and drag around, and now it actually starts measuring angles right here. So in my case, I don't want to measure angles from here, so I want to get back onto measuring. I'm going to hit X on my keyboard right here. So now I'm going to go around, hold Control right here and keep this at the top right here. And now you know that it is 2.2 something meters right here. So I want to measure out the angle, and to do that, I'm going to click from the center so that this turns into an angle and hold Control right here. And now you know this is exactly 75 degrees right here. And of course, if you want to get back to the regular measurement, you hit X on your keyboard and then you're back to the measurement right here. And that is how you can use the measure tool to measure out an object inside of Blender. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.